When we try to factor this expression, we see that there is no greatest common factor because the only thing that goes into all three of these terms is 1. That doesn't help us. So instead of factoring out the greatest common factor, we're just going to factor the whole expression. So to get this m squared, we need m times m. And then to get the 18, these outside terms are going to have to multiply for that. And then to get the negative 3m, we have this plus this. So if we have a 6 and a 3, that multiplies to get 18. We need to be negative 18, so we need one of these to be negative. So in determining that, we need to see when we multiply the m times the 3 and the 6 times the m, which of those constants needs to be negative to add up to negative 3m. So if that's a negative and that's a positive, negative 6 times 3 is negative 18. And then negative 6m plus 3m gives us negative 3m. So our answer is m minus 6, m plus 3. That's the factored version of this. Another example of this would be if we have none of the terms have a greatest common factor. So we're just going to try to factor the whole expression. So we need that in order to get the 5a squared. Multiply that. And then to get the negative 16, we need 2 terms to multiply to get that. So we can use 16 and 1, 8 and 2, we can use 4 and 4. So we know that we're going to have to get this so that 5a times this term plus a times this term add up to negative 42. So I'm going to try the 8 and the 2. And we need to add them to negative numbers, so if I make both of these negative, this is still going to be positive because negative times a negative is positive. And then when we check it, 5a times a is 5a squared, and then negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16. And then 5a times 8 is 40a, negative 40a.
That doesn't look like fun.
And negative 2 times a is negative 2a, so negative 40a plus negative 2a is negative 42a. So the answer is 5a minus 2 times a minus 8.